2002, very few doctors in India had heard about ozone therapy, and very few were interested in practicing this relatively unknown procedure. In early 2002, Dr. Vijay Sheel Kumar, a famous neurosurgeon from Delhi, introduced ozone disc nucleosis in his work as a minimal invasive treatment for disc prolapse and spinal disorders. At the same time, a socially responsible and a charismatic gentleman, known for his smart business acumen, Mr. Ramesh Chauhan, the chairman of Distillery International Private Limited, was introduced to ozone by one of his friends, Mr. Manikam. He witnessed the first treatment at BioOxy hospitals at Chennai with Mr. Prem. This therapy drew his attention for one main reason, that it was very cost effective and can help in a lot of diseases. Conventional medicine costs keep going high, and it is very difficult to treat all your problems with single medicine. Dr. Ratna Alva, practicing at Bangalore, influenced his determination to promote this wonderful treatment to doctors and patients. He then went to Cuba, where ozone therapy is widely practiced. Mr. Ramesh Chauhan, along with Dr. Ratna Alva, conceived the idea that each and every village of India will have ozone therapy one day. To promote this novel therapy in India, he appointed Dr. Parul Sahiba and sent her to Russia and Malaysia for her training in ozone therapy. Her efforts are what made us believe in ozone therapy. Dr. Parul Sahiba started with the words, "Popularize ozone therapy" in 2002. With the help of Mr. Ramesh Chauhan and the team of doctors trained by her, she did popularize ozone. With her motto, "Ozone ke liye kuch bhi karega," she single-mindedly worked for the cause. She arranged numerous training and awareness programs, toured extensively and literally did what it might take to promote ozone therapy. She worked extensively in bringing this therapy to all of us. The path was very difficult and full of obstacles. She had only one mission, that ozone should reach to all parts of India. Though she left in 2009 to settle in Pune, we can proudly say that her mission is well on its way to be successfully accomplished thanks to her efforts. Also in 2002, Dr. Asha Andyal, head of Physiotherapy Department of Bombay Hospital, allowed the use of ozone in the treatment of elephantiasis. Mr. Arshad Mullaji, owner of AM Ozonics, made the first Indian ozone generator. He supported ozone therapy from its inception, and he continues doing so with innovation. In the year 2003, under the able guidance of late Mr. R.P. Verma, Mr. Ashad Sheikh developed ozone oils and its accessories. He has worked extensively on the research of ozonized oils and its different forms. Dr. Amul Sadiwala, a general surgeon, used ozone in private nursing home for diabetic foot in the same year. In his private practice at Kalyan, Dr. Vipul Kakkad, an Ayurvedic practitioner, started the use of ozone for his patients. In the year 2005, a few private practitioners like Dr. S.L. Shah and Dr. Vidyut Shroff, who were practicing ozone, helped us grow further by means of showcasing their work. In the year 2006, the first ever ozone therapy training program was arranged in the month of January of 2006. Since then, we have conducted over 22 programs, training over 250 doctors from all over India. Dr. Jigna Gada started ozone in a charitable center in Ahmedabad. Dr. Iqbal Bagasrawala, the first MD physician to ask for and use ozone in many conditions, including TB, HIV and stroke, started his ozone practice. Dr. Rasik Bhai in Ghatkopar gave the first break in a charitable trust, Narayan Seva Mandal, with the help of MD Ayurvedic practitioner Dr. Manisha Konduskar. Dr. Milisha started practicing in leading charitable clinic Kot Hindu Sri Mandal, which became the only stop where you could view all the ozone therapy procedures. In the year 2007, Dr. Arvind Kulkarni and Dr. Milisha started serious work in cancer using ozone. In the year 2008, Dr. Silvia Menendez of Cuba visited India to promote ozone therapy and held several awareness lectures all over India, including Mumbai, Hyderabad, Calcutta, Pune and Nasik. Dr. Dhaval Modi of Bombay Hospital started intradiscal ozone injections and organized the first international seminar on ozone in honor of Dr. Silvia Menendez Caparo of Cuba. In the same year, Dr. Dambe popularized ozone amongst all the general practitioners. Dr. Divya Choksi popularized the use of ozone in knee joint pain in Ahmedabad. Dr. Shankar Narayan uses ozone in treatment of leprosy, ulcers and cancer. Dr. Karnam popularizes ozone oil and develops new instruments to administer ozone in a more effective way. On the 4th of July 2009, Ozone Forum of India was formed to provide ozone practitioners a common platform. With Mr. Ramesh Chauhan as its chairman and Dr. Vikram Kumar of Dr. Cares Hospital, Delhi as its executive director, Dr. Millie Shah, the vice president and the chief trainer, leads Ozone Forum of India from the front and further popularizes ozone. She arranges numerous training programs, awareness programs and conferences. She is actively treating patients with ozone therapy. For the benefit of doctors who begin their journey as ozone therapists, she has made ozone accessories and ozone oil easily available at Bisleri's Ozone Center. In the December of 2009, the first national conference was held with the support of Bombay Hospital, which helped our doctors share their knowledge on a larger platform. In the March of 2010, an international conference on ozone therapy was arranged at New Delhi with Dr. Cares Hospital. This was preceded by a workshop to train doctors in ozone therapy. In April 2011, we had our international conference with Russian Professor Nazarov, who conducted a small workshop with our doctors. During the same time, Dr. Vikram Kumar established Ozori Healthcare Private Limited to manufacture and market ozonized oil products under the brand name Ozori. This was launched at the same international conference. On the 30th and the 31st of March 2012, we have our first ever international training program through Professor Dr. Nabil Moussouf, an internationally acclaimed teacher and practitioner and a great believer of ozone therapy. In a short span of 10 years, we have grown to be a fantastic facilitator to an alternative and supportive therapy which has the potential to reach the masses and the classes with its effective yet low-cost procedures. Ozone Forum of India, energizing lives through active oxygen.